All right, we are walking down to the harbor to maybe go see some tall ships, hopefully. We'll see what we can find. And it's Windjammer days this week in Boothbay Harbor, so we'll see what we can find and bring you along. A little quick shot of the harbor there coming down Bay Street, Boothbay, and we'll pick you up when we see something. So here we are at the footbridge, Boothbay Harbor. It's just a short walk from the house. It tells you all the stuff in the harbor. And it's the footbridge. It tells you a little bit of history. They just rebuilt this about 2 years ago, I guess. And they took out the drawbridge part. But there's a small tall ship over there to the left, I see. What a beautiful day. 70, what is it, 77, 78?
Oh my gosh, it's 70 gorgeous.
70 gorgeous. There you go, perfect. Little breeze, but very, very pleasant. Very low humidity. Hear all the work being done in the background. Everybody's doing something up here. Kind of like everywhere else. Lots of development, lots of things being built and repaired, and this is the harbor. Yeah, that's a small tall ship. It's partially tall. It looks like it might be. Oh, there's one coming in right now. Wonder where he's docking at. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I don't know. That's the other side. See a new house there right in the middle. Kind of doesn't go with the theme here, but it's what they want. And there's a ship coming in right there, one of the tall ships. See that one there? And he's coming in. Very neat. Yeah, it's under power, so no, you can't sail into the harbor. Let's walk up here and see if we can show any more. Peepaw. Yeah, he's probably, there's a couple over at the town dock. We will walk over there to show you. This is actually somebody's private house out here. When I was a kid, wasn't this a general store or something? I think when I was a kid, which was pretty neat. 1902 bridge house. And this used to be a swing bridge here. But they took it out when they still have the structure, but see him coming in there. Pretty cool. And I believe this is part of the town dock also. But I believe that's where he's going over there, is to the town dock.
Yeah, that's the way he's.
Yeah, he's heading. So we will walk over there and we'll pick you up on the way. So here we are in the harbor itself. Just came across the footbridge, and when I was a kid, this here on the left was actually a bowling alley, which was pretty neat. But it was pretty neat. But we're coming down to the wharf here, and where the ice cream is, all the good stuff. And this is Downey's Fudge Factory. This has been here for quite a long time. It was here when I was a kid. And then the ice So this is how they make the fudge here at Down East. They've been doing it this way since I was a kid. Same way, same procedure. It's pretty neat.
Oh, it's 50 then.
See, that's how it wraps. He feeds that in. They do one kind at a time. And the machine's got some age on it. Still works good though. And this young lady is quality control, I'm assuming. Pretty neat. They have all kinds of different pasties. Num num. Very good. $14.95 for a pound. Like I said, been here a long time. Ice cream place. It's the ice cream factory. And that was here.
Even like water. Pop up right here.
Oh yeah. That was here when I was a kid. They've been here, I think, 47 years. It used to be you could get your ice cream and make your own sundae, which was really cool. 46th year they've been here. So I've been coming up here, I guess, close to 50 years. And see the thing? Ice cream solves everything. Perfect saying. But this is the wharf here. This actually all flooded this past winter.
Of course, yeah.
And you can see this is the line for the cruise. Now they do a dolphin, was it dolphin cruise? No, it's a whale watch and a puffin then, which is kind of neat. I'm gonna try to sneak around back here and see if we can get a shot of one of the tall ships. This is kind of private back here. You're allowed back here, but whoop, almost got killed by a flag. Restaurant there. You got a little, look how beautiful these flowers are. There's a little ship there, a little boat. And there's one out there also. Look at the size of this boat. Wow.
Oh, it's leaving.
Yes, they are. Oh no, maybe they might be just tying off.
Oh, look, urchin. Oh, it's really neat.
Very neat. Very neat. Alright, we're still on the wharf. Just got past all those people. They're all waiting to get on this boat here. And that's the Harbor Princess. It's a whale watch boat, and as you can see, they're all boarding. That's a lot of people. Too many people for me. Too much, too much. But let's take a walk over here, and we'll go to the town dock and see what's available there. So you gotta walk past the Fisherman's Wharf Inn, you kind of go under here, and then you come to the town dock. Gonna get a little dark. And there's another, that's the Pink Lady. That's just going out. And this tall ship just came in. We'll walk out there and check that out. There's some stuff going on here for the tall ships. So Denise just brought up a good point. I should show you this. So this is Cabbage Island Clam Bakes. They do a trip, a boat trip, out to the island and do a full clam bake for you. Oh, I say clam bake, but it's actually lobster and clam. So it's $92.50 per person, which seems like a lot, but yeah, it did go up. Yeah. So this, you get 2 lobsters, steamed clams, corn on the cob, egg, potato, onion rings, famous berry cake, hot coffee or tea, which is kind of cool. So just thought I'd show you and check it out. Oh, look at him. He's hot. Got a little band going on. Got the pirate theme going. There's a charter right there, that's a charter boat. And that's another whale watch or puffin watch. This is the public boat dock here. And this is two of the tall ships, one bigger one smaller one that just came in. We're not going to get super close, but we'll show you. These are all replicas of original tall ships. I think most of them are fiberglass now, but they do have quite a big mast, a couple masts, and of course they have a diesel engine, which is kind of cool. But this is downtown Boothbay Harbor. Guy going out on his dinghy there to his boat. And greatest t-shirt shop, $6 a piece. Got lots of them. That's the harbor. There's a boat leaving. So this is one of the original candy stores here, right around the corner here. Used to come here when I was a kid, and it had lots of penny candy back in the day. And you used to be able to get the penny can, Orange Candy Store, 1885. Still open. No more penny candy anymore, but pretty neat. Just the real deal. Lots of little stores. That used to be a grocery store. Downtown Boothbay Harbor. And there's the trolley. Cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails. Oh, that's pretty cool. Thanks, Dolly. Alright, let's walk down this way. Show you a couple of these little stores. Mostly tchotchke stores, but they got all kinds of stuff. And right up the road here, they have a really good hardware store. Grover's Hardware has a little bit of everything. Not the cheapest, but they do have everything. Local Maine people think it's a little warm today. It's like 78, and they think it's warm. I think it's beautiful. There's the footbridge. Town's quite busy. This is the popcorn store. They got really good popcorn. Yeah, huh? Lady just made a comment. She said $20 lobster roll, that's expensive. That's actually really, really cheap. Most of the lobster rolls here are between $35 and $40. So let's go up to here, and then we will head back down to the footbridge. That used to be a bank back in the day. And right down there by the American flag is Grover's Hardware. And Mung Bean, that's another one that's been here forever.
There's a gas station right down the road here, if you need one in town.
Oh yeah, yeah, there is a gas station right in town, and actually the prices are actually really good for diesel. They're okay for gas. And this is the back road down into the parking area paid parking. It's $2 an hour. It's all electronic. You just put your license plate number into it and swipe your credit card like everything else. But rental stuff and a little bit of everything here. Most of the time you can find a spot here, but town is busy because of Windjammer days. And there's a little brewery here, or I guess is that a brewery? That's a brewery, right? There's a few places to say, a few places, hotels and Airbnbs. There's Shore Hills Campground. There is a brewery that has a campground. Yeah, I think it's Bridge House. Footbridge Brewery. There you go. So you can get your Bridge House barbecue there, which is cool. Harbor treats. And we're back at the footbridge.